Hey guys, my daddy bought this book for me and it's called Maker Lab. So we are going to do the experiments, the first one, which is sticky slime. We have these ingredients. We have the beautiful cornstarch, the warm water, this, which is a large mixing bowl, airtight container, shampoo, food coloring, spatula, tablespoon, and I don't know what this is for.
Another spoon.
Another spoon. Sorry, another spoon. Let's get mixing. So I already have the large mixing bowl right here. So let's start. Let's get the food coloring, and after the shampoo, get the spoon and scoop it in. Yep, it's all. It looks like ketchup. It looks like ketchup. It's ketchup. Like ketchup. Like scoop it in.
Okay.
I think this is enough.
Mm-hmm.
Now.
Okay, leave here on top of the paper.
And after we use that.
Now you pour the.
Now we'll pour the shampoo. All of it?
Mm-hmm.
It's looking pink. Just get this rest. I think that's enough.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Now, what next?
Okay, now you add the cornstarch.
Cornstarch is right here. Somebody needs to help me. We need the large spoon, I think. Or we just all dump it.
Okay, now add the cornstarch.
Oh, I don't make it.
Okay.
In my eyes.
Now use the spatula.
The spatula. Welcome to Melissa's cooking show. To mix them. How much?
Keep mixing. Mix is low. Just try to get the bottle to the top and try to mix.
That's how. Okay.
Okay.
The bottom to the top. Get to the top, you. Top. Get to the top.
Okay, now keep adding on water.
Oops.
Slow.
Slow. Yeah, it's getting pink. The red is getting pink. Because it's pink.
Okay, now you add water, warm water.
All of it.
No, that is tablespoon.
The
And
tablespoon?
keep adding it. Add like, keep full. There you go. Okay, keep another one. This is just half tablespoon each one. No, full. You need to fill the. Okay, keep adding more water. It's not enough.
I'm just trying to mix it one.
Mm-hmm. Let me mix for you. Put the water.
Here. This is getting good.
Okay, mix it with your hands now. Both hands there. I'll add this for you. Yeah, both hands. Come on.
What?
Mix it.
What? My nails are gonna get
Mix
all
it. Mix
dirty.
it. Yeah, like that. Like this. Look.
Okay.
Yeah, mix it.
Let's grab some. Look at my hands. Everybody, welcome to my hand show. It's good. This is warm because of the warm water. This sounds just squish it, but I don't want to get you. I don't want to squish it actually. It's turning peach. This is turning peach. Now the water's kind of turning kind of peach. hat. Oh, it's
Stick slime.
it's sticky slime. My hands are, oh no, my shirts are getting dirty. Don't worry about the shirt. This is working about the experiment. This is the focus of the experiment. Is the experiment. Do we need more water?
I think so. Just mix a little bit more before I add the water.
Okay. This is getting kind of smelly.
Smell the shampoo?
Here. Oh, now it's getting some squeezies. After I need to wash my hands before I play with the slime. Hey guys, maybe you're gonna see me play with the slime, maybe, yes. I don't know. Why is this so warm? Ah! I think this is our official slime. Look, I think we need a bigger container. Look, I warned my mom for a big container, but look what she did, a small container. I think this is all gonna fit. Do you hope?
I think it's gonna fit if you push inside.
Yeah, if we like
You
push
can always
it.
use a Ziploc.
If it doesn't work, let's use a Ziploc. But it's kind of sticky to the Ziploc in a container. My nails. Look at my nails. They're poking me.
And this slime is safe, alright? Because it doesn't have any bad chemical on it.
Just wash my nails now. After I'm going to wash my hands. Let me just take all. Can somebody give me a paper towel? Mommy, I have to get a paper towel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, after you first finish.
My nails were silver. Look at them now. Now they're like this peach color. Let's work on them. I think I'm already finished. I quit. Get all my nasty stuff out. I don't quit. I actually am.
See if it feels like it's slime now or not.
I think it feels like slime now. Mom, do you want to feel? Yeah.
You want to put more water? Try a little bit more water?
Just put it on my little hand. Yeah, that's enough. I think that's. Oh, I think this is enough. Look. Oh, this is sticky. How sticky slime is going to now. Wow. So we finished. We have finished, and we decided to switch in a Ziploc because look at the slime.
It's too much.
Too much, and how my hands are pink. And look, you see, my body is sticking in this pink.
Yeah, I think next time I recommend use a glove, right?
That's what I told my mom. She said no,
Plastic
no.
glove.
My mom said no because she didn't know. She wanted to make my hands dirty. That's just all.
Okay, let's store
Okay,
it here.
Dad. I'm gonna play with this one. This looks like my strawberry ice cream. Welcome
Oh,
to
look
my
at how slime it is. Wow.
It's
Looks
so...
more than like a silly putty than a slime. All right.
This is a big
Lift it, we can see dropping. Whoa! Look at how it is. Look how sticky it is. That's pretty cool to work it.
It's cool.
It's a silly putty.
It's gonna take like 4 hours to put this in. Let me just put my ice cream in. You see it dropping? Whoa, that was a big one. It's a bigger one.
Yeah.
This one's big. This is the last spoon and we are finished. Watch it slowly. It's just something like this, so it's do
like
you
a
see
fan.
it? Good color.
Bubble gum.
It looks like bubble gum. Get me in here. Somebody has to touch it.
You touch it.
Me?
Yeah.
It's good.
It is good now, yeah. All right. Let me close it for you.
Look at my hands. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and get a notification bell. Goodbye.